What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So as many as you guys know, I have put lowering springs on my car, and that comes as a cost because I got like really bad camber in the front and in the back. So I had went ahead and ordered some camber arms, and so today we're going to be putting those on. It's not going to take that long. It's just 2 bolts at each end. Where did I put? But I got some KPS camber arms in there, look like this. You know, I like really love this blue color. So first thing first I got to do is jack up the car, put the car on some jack stands if we have any. Cal, do we have any jack stands? Cause if we don't have any jack stands,
probably gonna have to get some.
Oh shit. Nah, well I guess no jack stands, so just jack up the car with a jack. Alright, so I just got the car jacked up and I'm working with like very little room. Like that is the only spot. I thought this man had some jack stands, but I guess not. But
slam me.
But these are the only 2 bolts. Hopefully I don't die, because like I said, we do not have any jack stands. But I have a bolt right there and a bolt right there. Just take these out. Like I said, it's gonna be a very quick job.
Keep the lighting.
Let me see. I'm gonna do it one side at a time.
What's it from the lug nuts?
No.
Okay, so let's start to be silver.
No, it's shaving off. Probably.
Well, dude, I've never seen a spring decompress so easily.
What?
Yeah. Yeah, this is too tight, so we charge you extra. Face ass nigga. No, that's not how it works. Is this metal or plastic?
It's somewhere around it. Yeah, it's in the back. But anyway, we just got the camber arm off. It was a bolt down here, right there, like we were having really bad trouble with. I ended up stripping it a few times. Was really stuck, so I moved to the other side, got that one off, and then Cal decided to come up with the idea that we twist this side, and yeah, we broke it loose. But right now we're just hold on. What you got to do is you got to get the other camber arm and you got to match them up. Okay. You know, even though it's still going to be excessive, I go to work tomorrow, so I'm gonna do my alignment when I go on break. But yeah, this side is almost on there. Just got to put the bolts in there. Yeah, you got to like yeah, and it'll come off. You got to move it around the sway bar.
just broke it right off with the hammer. Where's the hammer at? Because once you pop it right here, it's going to come off this side. Oh, never mind. You got that.
Oh, no, you gotta.
Take that bolt out.
Here, Avery, hold this.
Hang on. About that. Yeah. Right there.
You gotta angle it upwards, and then you gotta get that bolt out. But you gotta, the bolt gotta be at like the flattest spot on the doggone. How is the bolt looking? You should be able to get it out.
Had it. You freaking stuck your aim or something. Damn, son. Knocked me out 3 times with it. Dang, bro, look at this.
What?
Oh, never mind. It was made like that.
Like what?
I think.
Yeah.
Okay.
Alright, so just got it out. Oh. Alright, so we just got the camera arms on both sides. You know, they looking pretty clean. Gotta take these shits, well, the car to work tomorrow and get alignment, but the job was not that hard to do at all. Hey. Well, I don't have a big enough socket to tighten up the nuts over there, so you know, just gonna have to ride like that. They kind of have like a lock wash on them, but right now I'm just cleaning up my rims in the back because they are pretty dirty, and gotta clean up my car after this because it also is pretty dirty. I kind of hate riding around with a dirty car, but sometimes like, I just don't really be having free time. Like I work 40 hours a week, you know, I do get 2 days off, but I be wanting to relax. But this is the aftermath of cleaning the rims. And as I stated before, these rims are not going to be looking like this for much too longer. I am going to be powder coating these. I'm not sure if I said it already, but gloss black. And
Go check me out. Go check me out.
yeah, check him out. Help him get more than 51. Because he needs some help. But yeah, these are very dirty. So that's probably going to be the end of this video. Just clean up these, wash my car, and call it a day.
And Chick-fil-A.
We out.